across the room, Paws watches her bold brother, but decides that she's climbed high enough for today. Plus, there's another important lesson going on this afternoon, and Max is first to give it a try. Stairs feel like a mountainside when you're a small kitten, but there's a great reward at the bottom. Under Mom's watchful eye, the kittens get their first look at the big outdoors. And it's not long before Max grows curious about what's past the porch. And with that, Max's adventure is brought to a halt. Back at the exotic short-hair house, the girls are in for a big treat. Mom Lala enjoys the finer things in life, and she wants her girls to appreciate them as well. So today, they'll be treated to their first official day of beauty. Mia takes to everything like a true exotic princess. Sasha's turn. But she doesn't quite share her sister's enthusiasm for getting dolled up. Exotic short hairs inherit personality traits from both sides of the family tree. They enjoy sitting on a lap being admired, like their Persian cousins, but are also energetic hunters, like their American short-hair relatives. Little Sasha seems to be more athletic American than pampered Persian. And when she spots some prey across the room, she decides she's got better things to do. The mouse catches Mia's eye, too, though Sasha is not really interested in sharing her catch, and is ready to wrestle for it. But prissy Mia tires of the tussle and backs out of the fight. Over at the salon, the last appointment of the day is just wrapping up. The client wants to show off her new look, but Peaches thinks the kittens are too young to appreciate a well-groomed poodle. After all, they still haven't ventured beyond their corner. Though it looks like today may be their chance, the salon is closing early. And with the dogs away, the kittens can play. Someday, one of these kittens may end up working in the salon, so it's time for them to get familiar with the place. But as much fun as she's having exploring the back room, Callie is curious to see what's up front. And when Mom's busy chasing the boys, the bold little calico makes her move. But Peaches is a multitasker. And before Callie gets very far, Mom's one step above her. Yes, it's back room only for today. Coming up, Max takes on his first tree.